Welcome guys to our channel, and I'm here again to discuss about the data structure. Previously I will discuss about it means I discuss about the data structure that I already told you that the data structure, it means what? It is a way of organizing data so that it can be used effectively. I know you have to see my previous video. Now let's start. Data type. See, data structure. Okay, this is in C language. Data type of data types with examples. These three things I will discuss here now. Next, data type means what? Everybody know about data type. Data type means data storage format that a variable can store a data to perform a specific operations. It means किसी भी चीज को परफॉर्म करने के लिए, किसी भी एक पर्टिकुलर ऑपरेशन को परफॉर्म करने के लिए जो स्टोर किया जाता डेटा in form of variable, that is data type. This is very easy thing, so let's discuss here two important things about data type. I think these two things didn't know about it. First, define a certain domain of values. Define a certain domain of values. इसका मतलब ये है कि किसी भी चीज़ की जो वैल्यू होती है वो डिफाइन किया जाता है precisely in a domain of values. Second things, what? Operations allowed on those values. Which value must just input? It means if you open the phone, just you have to input, it means data that is used to your password, which is character forms, string forms, integers, means that allowed to operate your phones. That is second, define operations allowed on those values. Okay, let's take example. Integer type, take on integer type and float type. See clearly. इंटीजर टाइप मीन्स ये जो इंटीजर का मतलब ये होता है इंटीजर. ओके, इट मीन्स when you study in mathematics you have to know about integer. It means negative to positive. Okay, take only integer values operations. ये क्या करते हैं? एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशंस, बिटवाइज ऑपरेटर. ओके, फ्लोट जो होते हैं वो सिर्फ फ्लोटिंग वैल्यूज ही लेते हैं, जैसे डेसिमल टाइप पे. ऑपरेशन इनका होता है एडिशन होता है, सब्ट्रैक्शन होता है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन एक्सेट्रा. बट कीप इन माइंड, फ्लोट टाइप जो होते हैं वो बिटवाइज और मॉडुलस अलाउ नहीं करता है. डू गेट इट? Bitwise and modulus are not allowed in float. That is not perform well in float type. Okay, next, see type of data type. There are three type of data type: primitive, derived, user defined data type. Okay, first, primitive type. It is predefined types of data which are supported by programming language, which is supported by a programmer. Okay, example, integer, character, strings, these are primitive. Derived, it is also called a structure and it consists of data objects of different types. It is used to represent a record. याद रखिएगा, derived data type जो होता है वो रिकॉर्ड जितने भी रिप्रेजेंट करना होता है वो derived data type का वर्क होता है. डिराइव्ड डेटा टाइप ही है जो रिप्रेजेंट करता है रिकॉर्डिंग. ओके, इसके एग्जांपल्स हैं एरे, पॉइंटर. यूजर डिफाइंड डेटा टाइप मीन्स व्हाट? दिस इज सिमिलरली not but in contrast type primitive data type. There is a concept of user defined data type. The operations and values of user defined data type are not specified in the language itself, but it is specified by the user. Okay, it means what? user defined data type मतलब क्या होता है? जो हम लोग यूज़र हुए वो हम लोग किसी भी पर्टिकुलर ऑपरेशंस को परफॉर्म करने के लिए एक वेरिएबल देंगे. सुटेबल होगा, जो इंटीजर अगर है इंटीजर देंगे, कैरेक्टर है तो कैरेक्टर देंगे, अगर एरे पे काम हो रहा है तो एरे. बट इज स्पेसिफाई इन द लैंग्वेज, नॉट स्पेसिफाई, उसके स्पेसिफाइड नहीं होते हैं। इट मीन्स अगर सी लैंग्वेज सीख रहे हैं तो स्पेसिफाइड नहीं है, सी में अलग, जावा, पाइथन, यू नो। This is the example of data type. It means user defined data type, a structure, union and enumerations. Okay, and let's see what structure. I will take a thing, user defined data type. By using a structure, we are defined our own type of combining other data type by combining other data types. Okay, this is the examples structure point I will take here, integer x, integer y, and this is. And you know everything in java takes operations, printf, scanf, and java, sorry, in C language, printf, scanf, java, system dot out dot println, scanner, this type of pythons, you know, this is used in user defined data type. These are three things. Let's explain once again. First, primitive data type. First, primitive data type, you will say here, and second, derived data type, third, user defined data type. Integer character, this is the primitive, array pointer, this is the derived, and user defined data type, that is structure, enumerations. Thank you, this is it. Okay, for now I will see you in next video. If you like this video, please comment, and I'm sure that I will